Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. If you want to make custom weldment, just follow this step. Make sure you save the custom weldment file consisting of 3 folders to make it easier when entering parameter when using weldment tool. Now I will save this aluminum frame sketch to be weldment template. If you want to know the size of the aluminum frame, just pause this video. The first step to make a weldment template is to click on the sketch. After that, click Save As and make sure the Save As type is Clip Fit Part. After that, make new folder. Make name folder is Custom. Make new folder again. Make name is Aluminum Frame. Make new folder again. Make name is HVS. Click Save. Sorry. Enter the folder and click Save. Now go to Option. Go to File Location. Go to Weldment Profile, click Add, choose Custom, click Select Folder, OK. Now we will try custom weldment. Click Structural Members, choose Aluminum Frame, choose Heavy Edge, and choose this. And click this line. This line, and this line. You can change parameter location like this. Click Locate Profile and click this point. And click New Group to make new weldment. And do this until it becomes a double frame. See, now you have a custom weldment to make a double frame. If you have question, just comment this video or you can chat me on my Instagram. That is a quick tips. See ya!